Alright YouTube, this is going to be a quick review of the Goodyear Ratchet tie-down set. I picked up the 4-pack of these at Costco for $19.99. Everywhere else they're extremely overpriced. I think on Amazon they're about 46 or 47 bucks. Just some basic info. You do get the tie-down, the ratchet straps, along with these really nice hooked ties. You get a carrying case for all 4 of them. Just some basic specs on them. They're 16 feet long. They're about 1.5 inch wide, and each of them has a 3,000 pound capacity, 3,000 pound brake strength, I should say, and 1,000 pound load limit. It does have a ergonomic design. I like the rubber coating on these. I like the mechanism. Everything about these are real nice. I like that it comes with a storage pouch for you guys. A really good quality. Like I said, 20 bucks at Costco. I will check Costco's website to see if that is the price they have there. It has a built-in soft connect to prevent hook from marring and breaking. So it's double wide and they're fused together, and there is a really nice durable coating on these. I do like them. For the price, you can't go wrong. Fully adjustable, like I said before, 16 feet, you get 4 of them. So for 20 bucks, you're getting a killer deal. I will put a link in the description to this product. Everything weighs about 8 pounds in total, so for 4 of them it's 8 pounds. It's not that bad, but I'd definitely recommend it to anyone looking for tie downs at a really good price. So once again, this is the Goodyear Ratchet tie down 4-pack, available at Costco. Thank you.